Hey, what's going on, guys? Professor Freddie Ratliff coming at you with another video. This video is actually a slight change of pace, actually doing a product review. I just recently purchased some new headphones off of Amazon, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you might be in line for. As we know, for those of us in the educational field, our teachers, our professors, you might be going into that online realm. So this is for those that are going into that virtual world if you're not already there, or if you're just in line for, well, a new pair of headphones that fit comfortably over your ears. So for me, I'm not a big fan of buds like I was, because again, once you know they're in your ears for a long time, your ears get kind of sore. So if you are that person that's not a big fan of earbuds, but you need something that's still wireless and comfortable that you could actually wear, that works out, where the sound is clear and everybody can hear you just as clear as if they're right next to you, here you go. The new Levin Bluetooth headphones. I just ordered these off of Amazon a few days ago, and I must say these are the bomb.com. All right, so yeah, so definitely check these out if you are in a new if you're looking for a new pair of headphones, and you are again not a fan of those earbuds, these will work out. So here you go, the Levin Bluetooth headphones. I'll show you what they look like. So this is definitely the nice case that you will get them in. So that was definitely a good thing right there. So here you go. Here you go. Again, Bluetooth headphones right here. So they wrap around your head like so, and they just go right on top of your ears, just like that. Comfortable. You could adjust it back any way you want to, but they're very comfortable, very clear. Again, I've had them for a few days now. I've been listening, basically having a whole bunch of conversations on my phone, able to hear YouTube, music, everything, and it comes through crystal clear. So yes, the Levin Bluetooth headphones, they do come in four colors. Of course, as you can see, red. You also get them in blue, black, as well as white. The white ones are like the whole thing is white. So, so that's what they have. So you have the Bluetooth headphones there. Again, very comfortable. You could, again, wrap them around your head. Everything is good. At first, now when I looked at the charge, I was, of course, when it comes to headphones, you want to make sure they have that long charge. Now, at first, I thought they were 5 hours, but believe it or not, it's actually 12. So that's kind of a shock. Now I'll let somebody else test that out. I won't be. So if anybody wants to give a comment down below to let me know if they did actually last that full 12, that'd be perfect. But right now, really 2-3 hours is good enough for me. They do last that long. One thing I can honestly say that I actually didn't charge them for like 2 or 3 days, just to kind of test them out a little bit. And I've turned them on when I was using them, turned them off, and I was actually using them a good amount of the last couple of days, and turned them off when I wasn't using them. But I will say it actually held a charge for a long time. It stayed at 90% pretty much for about two almost 3 days. So between 90 and 85% still holds a charge, still holds clear, and everything. So yeah, so it does hold pretty long. What you do get also with your headphones is you do get a charge cable naturally. So it's about maybe 2 feet, but whatever. Pretty holds pretty, pretty good. If you have like any, charger plug or laying around, it works best for that. Of course, is USB, or you can charge it into USB port that does the charging for you. That will definitely work out. I think it's about a 12-volt charge if I remember correctly. So definitely giving that full description there so you could see the whole thing. Again, off of Amazon, and they did cost me only $30. So if you're not if you don't have a lot of money in that bank, but you still want a pair of headphones that work out for you, that are inexpensive, these work out for you. Again, $30. Also, you also get an extra set of covers for these headphones. So just in case if they get sweaty or if they just get worn out, you can just simply take these, replace the ones you already have on, and you're pretty much good to go after that. I would say go for it. I give them a pretty good score for this. And again, you get that lovely case that you can fit in your pocket, anywhere, book bag, whatever. And they're not big, they're not bulky. So that works out $30. You really can't beat that. And it works with virtually all devices. You could use it with your Android phones. You can use it with your Apple devices. The good thing about Apple is that it actually shows the charge of your headphones like right there on the screen. So it definitely tells you pretty much how much the charge is. So that works out. And if you have Bluetooth capability on your PC, it works with that as well. So, I mean, come on, you know. So again, if you're looking for a new pair of headphones, yeah, new pair of headphones, and you don't have a lot of money, go right to Amazon. Again, $30. They come in 4 colors. And again, they fit comfortably over your ears. And I got to the point where I actually had them on for so long, I forgot I had them on. That's how comfortable they are. So there you go. Just recently did a bike ride. Perfect. So I'm not going to say anymore. I'm not going to say anymore. If you want them, get them. You know what I'm saying? Just letting you know. Product review. There you are. Again, Professor Freddie Ratliff on a new device review. Levin Bluetooth headphones. There you go. If you like this video, please subscribe. Comment down below. Good or bad, doesn't matter. You know, I take them all. So yes, on that note, I'm out, y'all. Peace, be safe. And well, again, with the bike ride, I got my fitness in, but still, please be safe. Have your mask. Please wear your masks. It does help. All right, but again, I'm out. Y'all be good. Peace.